If you want to reset algorithm on Instagram, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Okay, and as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right. The first solution, you can click the three bars at the top right, and then just go ahead and search for suggested content, right? So once you click on it, you're gonna be able right here to see the interested. Usually, or in the past, they usually add the videos that you're interested in into your interested list. So make sure that you remove that kind of video so you can reset the algorithm. The next solution, what you're gonna do, you're gonna manage the sensitive content. Go back to the same settings of content preferences or suggested content, and then you're gonna go ahead to the sensitive content. And basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna control the graphics that you see in your Instagram. And by clicking less, you will see less of that graphical content on Instagram. Next, what you're gonna do, we're gonna utilize the not interested. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to our Explorer page, right? And as you can see right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and let's say, for example, I want to go to this kind of post, right? Now, sorry, let me just select any post from that. Let's say that post, right? I'm gonna go ahead and basically, or go back right here and just hold this post, right? And then go ahead and click not interested, all right? And basically now you just hitting that kind of post, and Instagram will understand that this kind of content you don't prefer. Now, next step, what you're gonna do, we're gonna clear the history page, right? So we're gonna go ahead to the Explorer again, right? And click the search at the top, and then basically you can click see all, and you can click clear all at the top, right? And from there you're gonna be able to basically reduce the amount of content that you want to see from this kind of people, all right, or this kind of users. Lastly, what you're gonna do, we're gonna unlike the past content. Go ahead and click your profile at the bottom right, and click the three bars at the top right, right, and then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to your activity, and then click likes. Okay, any interaction that you made during the usage of Instagram, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click select at the top right from here. Go ahead and select the content and then click unlike, and this kind of content will not be showing on your home page or Explorer page again. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.